Why weld when you can V-LOK? Introducing a revolutionary new product from Epiroc. The V-LOK shock sub and clamp system eliminates welding, grinding, and the need for a hot work permit. The V-LOK no-weld clamp uses 4 bolts with Nord-Lock X-Series washers to create a secure connection between the sub and the drill string. No sparks on the drill rig means increased safety, and no waiting around for a welder means increased productivity. When it's time to change the sub, simply remove the bolts and remove the clamp. Because there's no welding or cutting to damage the thread saver sub, there's a greater chance they can be reused. Spend more time drilling and less time welding with V-LOK. V-LOK clamps come in 10 different sizes to fit your drill string size. Only available from Epiroc.